नमस्ते, मी रुपाली घोडेकर. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत लेसन लाईट एमिटिंग डायोड. Light emitting diodes. One of the most common and popular device is the light emitting diode, abbreviated as LED. These LEDs are used as indicators in almost all electrical and electronic circuits and equipments. खाली आकृतीमध्ये LED ची कन्स्ट्रक्शन आणि सिम्बॉल दाखवला आहे. टाइप्स ऑफ LEDs. 3 प्रकारचे LED असतात. सिंगल कलर LED, 2 कलर LED आणि मल्टी कलर LED. Single color LEDs. Most commercially available and commonly used LEDs are single color LEDs. These LEDs radiate one of the colors such as red, green, yellow or orange. Different colored LEDs will have different forward voltages as given in the table below. आकृतीमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे LED किती फॉरवर्ड व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप करतात ते दाखविले आहे. तसेच LEDs हे वेगवेगळ्या साईजमध्ये आणि शेपमध्ये उपलब्ध असतात तेही दाखविले आहे. Two color LEDs. These LEDs can give two colors. Actually, these are two LEDs put in a single package and connected as shown in the figure. Multicolor LEDs. These are special types of LEDs which can emit more than two colors. These LEDs comprises of a green and red LED mounted in a 3-pin common cathode package as shown in the figure. Terminals of LEDs. Since LEDs are basically diodes, they have anode and cathode terminals or leads as shown in the figure. IR LED, an infrared light emitting diode. IR LED is a special purpose LED that emits infrared signals. Specially, it is a semiconductor device that releases infrared rays when exposed to electrical current. LASER diode. Like LEDs, LASER diodes are typically PN junction devices used under a forward bias. The word LASER is an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. थँक यू सो मच. आज आपण इथे थोडक्यात लाईट एमिटिंग डायोडची माहिती घेतली. धन्यवाद.